In this video I'm just going to show you how you can use the width stamp tool with the scribble tool with different coloured paths to create a multicoloured sketch design. So just going to create a path here, standard path. I'm going to set it, give it some colour. I'm going to create another path, some probably green this time, green, and I'm going to create one with maybe darker colour, black. Okay, so I've got these, and what I'm going to do now, just going to go to the effect, scribble, and I'm going to go for that scribble, a childlike scribble. I'm just going to go through the presets. There's lots of different settings for the scribble tool, really quite useful. So just click OK at that point. Now for this one, effect, scribble, and I'm going to go for maybe a loose one this time. Different settings, obviously you can tweak it a bit more, add some variation, different spacing, click OK. And you can go here and now effect, scribble, and maybe swash. And like I say, change the spacing, some variation there, click OK. Right, so once you've actually got those, you can actually expand all of those. So I'm just going to now go to Object, Expand Appearance. So you can see they're just basic normal paths, and if I just select one, you can just see that's the key thing, it's actually a stroke added, and I want that one to be at the background. So just going to bring that one forward, cut it and paste it just quickly on top, and also that one cut and paste. So it's just basically back on top again. And you can also modify the size before. I'm just going to apply. I don't want it to be so strong, the black, so I just sort of reduce it down. Now, what I can do, I can actually, of course, vary it. I don't have to, can actually rotate these paths, so they can just be dragged around, so it's at different angles. So the sketch is sort of like as if you're sort of doing a real rough sketch that direction, and another sketch sort of there. So we've got those. So they've all been expanded. You've got strokes there. So what you want to do now is Control G or Object, just group them. That's the key thing, group. Because what I'm going to do now, I've just got this part here, and of course I can just position it, make it a bit bigger, just to place it over that part, the whole of the image. Right, select those, and what I can do then is make with top object. This is the width stamp tool, so I'm just going to select that, and there you can see the underlying image there. You can just see it now with the different red strokes, the green strokes. So just showing you that you can actually use colour and different paths to create, and of course you can create actually more than that. You can have 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 different scribbles, maybe scribbles in different positions. So if you want to actually sort of control to make it, maybe make some paths that just run along a certain area to make it sort of very more intense in a particular part of the image. And of course you can modify that. I'm just going to put it back to the default just to show you can, and then you can modify that just to bring more or less of the underlying image through. I have to say this is often a little bit of trial and error to decide at the end result, because you can just play around with it for a bit and you can find a setting that really works really well, and then once you've done that, obviously you can just expand it. Just click there, expand, and there you have it. You've got a super scribble, a super colourful scribble that would be pretty tricky to do just using the standard scribble tool in Illustrator. So you've got, and of course once you've actually done that, you can also modify the width profile again, very quick and easy. Hope you found this